Welcome to another video, guys, and today I'm gonna do a pack opening, and I only got 40 coins, so 40,000 coins, but I'm gonna try getting one of these. Think it's worth it? Western Playhouse Pro Pack or Eastern Playhouse Pro Pack? Wait, I'm gonna go check something about Eastern and Western, see which one's better. I don't really know. I watch basketball all the time. I just don't know the Eastern and Western. One sec. Yeah. Western. Guys, then we're going to go with the Western. Let's get into it, see if I can get this pack. First try. Western. Bought it. It's on. Let's go. What would I get? My team? What'd I get? What the fuck? What? Maybe I didn't open them. Unclaimed item collectibles. I saw that. What did I get? Guys, what did I get? I don't think I got an elite though. Oh my god, that can be so pissed. What did I get? I should get a pro pack and see what we get. Open pack. What did I get? What did I get? What the heck? This is so bad. I hate this. This is getting me mad. It didn't give me anything. Oh my god. This got me so mad. Oh my god, guys. I want cash. What the heck? Guys, that gets me so pissed. That got me so mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna change my team. You know who I'm gonna be? I'm not any of those guys. I love their jerseys. I love the OKC guys. I'm sorry. I just like their jerseys. Boom. Boom. Now I'll face Chicago. Old team, bro. That got me so mad. Oh my god, guys. So mad. Are you kidding me? I just look if there's any changes on my team. Boom. So I still got this thing. Look at this beast. 93 pointer. Oh my god, he's so good. I got like this edition. You know I got this on? A pro pack. See his threes. Why are you even a shooting guard? Oh my god. Let's put Derrick Rose. Let's check Derrick Rose's speed. He's fast. This man's fast. Guys, I think I'm about to end the video here. This gets me so mad. I just messed up my whole thing. I was about to open some packs, have a good video. And then this happens. Patrick Ewing. Why are you so bad? Oh my god. It gets me so mad. Steph, be here for me, bro. I like Paul Pierce better than you. I'm sorry. Paul Pierce is way better than you. Well, in my opinion. Yeah, I like Paul Pierce. What does this guy think he's doing there? I need a center. Think he's the only center I have? Oh. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna name it like glitched something. And always like and subscribe for more of this content of NBA Live pack opening. And oh my god, it's gonna be so mad. See you guys in the next video. And always swoosh it.